Okay, on 11 through 12, it says to determine the constant of proportionality and express your answer as y equals kx. So what we know is that these are direct variation. We just need to figure out what that constant of proportionality is. All right, so because we know that, it really doesn't matter which one I divide. They're all going to give me the same answer. So I'm just going to choose the first one, or if you can do one of them in your head, like this one would probably be easier to do in your head, or even this one. But I'm just going to pick the first one, and I'm going to do 112 divided by 8, and that equals 14. So 14 is my k, my constant of proportionality. So then my equation, all I have to do is just replace the k. So y equals 14x is going to be my equation. For number 12, same thing. We already know it's a direct variation because we wouldn't be finding the constant of proportionality otherwise. So I just need to take my y and divide it by x. So 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So 3 is my k. And then I just replace it in my equation. So whatever you get here should be what you plug in for x. And the equation is right here. Okay? Number 13 and 14 says identify your variables. So which one's the independent, which one's the dependent. Determine the constant of proportionality for each situation, and then write the equation. All right. So for question 13, it says a grocery store paid $314.65 for 7 crates of milk. So first thing we have to know is how many crates we're going to buy before we can pay any amount. So the number of crates is our independent, and then the cost, which is how much they're paying, is your dependent. And so to determine that, we're going to divide these just like we did up here, and it was the dependent, the bottom, the y, divided by x. So that's the cost. So I'm going to take the $314.65 and divide that by 7. So the whole point of determining which one's which is so you know what number goes on top. So it's the dependent, which is the y value, is the dependent. So that's the value that has to go on top. So when I divide those, I get $44.95. So then that's my k, $44.95. And then my equation is just going to be y equals 44.95x. Okay, and then number 14, an industry printing machine printed 2,793 pages in 7 minutes. So which one is the independent and which one is the dependent? The independent is your time, so we have to know how much time has gone by before we can know how many pages have been printed. So this is time, which is your minutes, and then this is your number of pages. So again, when I'm trying to find k, it's the dependent, which is your number of pages, divided by your time, which is 7. And when I divide that, I get 399. So k is 399. So then the equation is y equals 399x. So just a couple things on this page just to make sure so you're not getting counted off double is just remember that these values have to match. Okay, so whatever you put for your k is what you need to have for in your equation. Okay.